Hey, what's going on everyone? This is your personal tech nerd buddy with a new video, and today I'm going to show you guys an incredible iPhone hack that I would like to call the best iPhone hack ever. This is really cool and it's also really simple. In this video I'll show you how to do it and it only takes a moment. Now another step you should follow is hitting the subscribe button just underneath this video, and it's for you if you are still not subscribed to the channel yet, as it will help the channel do much better. Now without further ado, let's get started. So here we are on the home screen of my iPhone, which is 12 Pro Max obviously. You can see all we have here is a dock with icons and a blank page, but there is actually a lot on this page. So if I go to the dark mode, you can see the same thing again, nothing here. I can just swipe like this and reveal actually a lot of stuff on this page, or just quickly hide everything that I have here. Just like that, we have a blank page again. Now this is a really cool trick you can do with the home screen on your device with the help of a really amazing app. And this is the app that makes the difference. This app has just been released on the App Store, doesn't have a label at all. So when you add the widgets from the app, it will have no labels, just a clear page right here, which looks really good. Now the app is called Clear Widget and it is totally free from the App Store and very simple to use. Now let me show you guys how to create this on the home screen of your device. The first thing you will need is to download it from the App Store by using the link that I will leave right down below in the description, and also I'll leave the link in the comment section of this video. Once you have the app installed, head on to the Settings tab and set your wallpaper. You can set any wallpaper you want. Just make sure that you turned off the perspective zoom. Now what you need to do is head on to the home screen of your device, go to the edit mode and swipe to the last page where there are no icons. Take a screenshot of this, and if you are using a wallpaper of iOS that has both dark mode and a light mode, in this case you need to take two screenshots. Take one on the dark mode and then go ahead and switch to the light mode and take a screenshot as well. And now you are good to go. And if you are using like custom wallpaper in your device which will stay the same on dark mode and light mode, you can take only one screenshot. Now you go ahead and open the app. You will have the light mode wallpaper and the dark mode wallpaper side. Again, if you are using custom wallpaper which will stay the same for both dark and light mode, you just set the same wallpaper for both sides. So just tap on any of these and go ahead and load the wallpapers. Once you are done with the settings with the wallpapers here, all that's left to do is add the home widgets. So go ahead and go to the widgets panel by tapping on the plus here. Find the app here and add the widget, whichever one you want. Of course, again, you can add a small one, a medium one, or a big one. What you will have to do next is tap on widget and choose the position where you have placed your widgets. So in this case, we have bottom left, so we will choose bottom left right there. And there it goes. You can see how cool that looks. You can bring it up and make them disappear anytime you want. And of course, you can have multiple widgets there like I do have here. When you do this, the widgets will be hidden all the time and you can review them whenever you want. Just make sure to tap here the 3D touch and tap on edit and just disable smart rotate here so it doesn't rotate automatically, and you are good to go. That's how easy it is to create these widgets with all blank labels on the home screen of your device. That's really cool in my opinion, and of course one of the best hacks that you can do on your iPhone. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and I'll see you on the next one.